Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erenmols, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Persuasion. Praiki chant. Gaba yekuni ni baba omolu. Agba oloya nirodemu. Agogoñ la senugbagba loni ni parikoko. Tenu dundun nalori ni para. Tenu batajade. Kaba yekun. Adifa fun sain. Loda fun runmila. Juani meji. Story Patakin. Ogbe Yèkùn was the father of the Mulu. He was a powerful and feared man, known for his immense strength. Everyone was afraid of him, and he declared that whoever stepped foot on his land would pay for it with their life. On his land, he had large plantations of timber trees. No one dared to approach him. One day, all the inhabitants of Asalaya went to see Olofin, seeking a solution. Olofin sent them to consult Ifa, and the Odù Ògbè was revealed. It instructed them to perform Ibo with musical instruments and bring them to the land of Ogbe Yèkùn. But no one dared to do it until the daughter of Juani Meji declared, "I will go and I will conquer him." The maiden arrived and entered that land playing the music. When Ogbe Yèkùn saw her, he said, "Stop, beautiful Obinrin, woman. You are very lovely, and I do not want to harm you." To which she replied, "I came for you, and I will take you." He was astonished by her courage, beauty, and the enchantment of her music. She subdued him and led him before Olofin, who said, "To iban esu." This is how Esu would have done it. Olofin then returned him to his land, and from that moment on, whenever Ogbe Yèkùn was needed, they had to go to Juani Meji to bring him forth.